Hello and welcome to this tutorial. I'm Saham Malik, Senior Product Manager at Cloud NC, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use CAM Assist for the first time. At the moment we are supporting the last 4 releases of NX, so that means we are supporting NX 2406, 2312, 2306 and 2212. You need to download and install the right version of CAM Assist for your NX version. In this tutorial, I'm going to use 2406 as an example, and I'm going to download CAM Assist for it. So let's go to the download page. Here is our user guide, and you can just navigate to the download section. As you can see, we have different version of CAM Assist for different NX versions. Here I'm going to download NX 2406 version of CAM Assist, and it's going to download as any exe file. So I just download the file and I'm going to run the installation file. Press next, agree. Here I can select where I want to install CAM Assist. I'm going to use the same folder as NX2406. Press install. And then at the end of the installation, CAM Assist asks if you want to open the right version. You can untick this or you keep it on and you press finish, and now you are automatically open NX2406. As you can see here, and here you can see that the CAM Assist menu is open. I'm going to open a demo part just to show you how you can use CAM Assist for the first time. This demo part. Okay, so when you install CAM Assist, the CAM Assist icon comes as part of your menu bar, and there are a number of items here, and we're going to go through them together. The first icon is the main technology that we have, CAM Assist, that can help you to generate machining strategies. Then you have access to your account to know how many days or months left from your subscription. This icon takes you to the documentation page. You can click here to share with us your feedback and ask for technical support. Here there are some demo example parts that you can use if you just want to test something. The terms and condition is here. The connection item helps you to make sure you connect to the right URL when you are using CAM Assist. And at the end you have two more feature that we are offering right now. One is called Cutting Parameter Explorer, and the other one is the Softjaw Designer. I'm going to go through this product later in my presentation, but for the moment let's just look at CAM Assist for the first time. So as long as you have your workpiece defined, and here I have two workpieces defined. One is for the top operation, as you can see it pointing up, and then the other one is linked as associated IPW, and it points down, so it basically the bottom half of this part. As long as you have defined your workpiece in NX, you can use CAM Assist. It doesn't matter if you have Vice or Jaws or Soft Jaws here, it works. So I'm going to open CAM Assist, and we're going to see the results. So here is the sign up page. When you run CAM Assist for the first time, you need to sign in or sign up. If you haven't set your password yet, you need to click on sign up, and the sign up page asks you to set the new password and sign up. If you already done the password setup, you just sign in. You need to wait to see this page when it says you are successfully logged in. So now you are ready to go. And when we go back to NX, you can see that the new user interface opens and you can then run CAM Assist. In the next tutorial, I'm going to tell you how you can use CAM Assist to program a part.